Hello, everyone. Welcome to LinguaBoost. Today, we will practice daily routine English, from waking up in the morning to going to bed at night. In this lesson, you will learn useful English sentences for your real life. You can use them when you talk to your friends, classmates, teachers, or coworkers. I will speak slowly and clearly, so you can listen carefully. Repeat after me, and speak English more naturally. This practice will help you understand English better, speak more confidently, and think in English, not in your own language. Please remember, do not worry about mistakes. Every time you practice, your English becomes better. Now, sit comfortably, relax, and enjoy learning. Let us begin our day and wake up with English. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I open my eyes and take a deep breath. Repeat after me. I open my eyes and take a deep breath. I hear the birds singing outside my window. Repeat after me. I hear the birds singing outside my window. I turn off my alarm and sit up in bed. Repeat after me. I turn off my alarm and sit up in bed. I stretch my arms and smile. Repeat after me. I stretch my arms and smile. It is a new day, and I feel thankful. Repeat after me. It is a new day, and I feel thankful. I make my bed neatly. Repeat after me. I make my bed neatly. Then I go to the bathroom. Repeat after me. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth carefully. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth carefully. I wash my face with cool water. Repeat after me. I wash my face with cool water. I look in the mirror and smile at myself. Repeat after me. I look in the mirror and smile at myself. After that, I take a shower. Repeat after me. After that, I take a shower. I feel fresh and awake. Repeat after me. I feel fresh and awake. I put on clean clothes for the day. Repeat after me. I put on clean clothes for the day. Now, I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. Repeat after me. Now, I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I make a cup of tea and toast some bread. Repeat after me. I make a cup of tea and toast some bread. Sometimes I eat eggs or fruit for breakfast. Repeat after me. Sometimes I eat eggs or fruit for breakfast. While eating, I check my phone for new messages. Repeat after me. While eating, I check my phone for new messages. I read a few messages and reply to my friends. Repeat after me. I read a few messages and reply to my friends. After breakfast, I clean the table. Repeat after me. After breakfast, I clean the table. Then I pack my bag and check if I have everything. Repeat after me. Then I pack my bag and check if I have everything. I put on my shoes and get ready to go out. Repeat after me. I put on my shoes and get ready to go out. Before leaving, I look outside the window and check the weather. Repeat after me. Before leaving, I look outside the window and check the weather. If it looks sunny, I wear my sunglasses. Repeat after me. If it looks sunny, I wear my sunglasses. If it looks rainy, I take my umbrella. Repeat after me. If it looks rainy, I take my umbrella. Now I feel ready for a great day. Repeat after me. Now I feel ready for a great day. Now it is time to leave home and start the day. I leave my house at 8 o'clock. Repeat after me. I leave my house at 8 o'clock. I lock the door before I go. Repeat after me. I lock the door before I go. I walk to the bus stop. Repeat after me. I walk to the bus stop. The weather feels nice and cool. Repeat after me. The weather feels nice and cool. I see people walking and children going to school. Repeat after me. I see people walking and children going to school. I wait for the bus for a few minutes. Repeat after me. I wait for the bus for a few minutes. The bus arrives and I get on. Repeat after me. The bus arrives and I get on. I sit near the window and look outside. Repeat after me. I sit near the window and look outside. Sometimes I listen to music while traveling. Repeat after me. Sometimes I listen to music while traveling. I watch people and cars on the road. Repeat after me. I watch people and cars on the road. After some time, I reach my stop. Repeat after me. After some time, I reach my stop. I get off the bus and walk to my office. Repeat after me. I get off the bus and walk to my office. If I am a student, I walk to my school. Repeat after me. If I am a student, I walk to my school. I greet my coworkers or classmates with a smile. Repeat after me. I greet my coworkers or classmates with a smile. I say, "Good morning. How are you today?" Repeat after me. I say, "Good morning. How are you today?" They smile and say hello back. Repeat after me. They smile and say hello back. I put my bag on the desk and get ready to start work. Repeat after me. I put my bag on the desk and get ready to start work. I open my computer and check my emails. Repeat after me. I open my computer and check my emails. If I am in class, I take out my books and start my lesson. Repeat after me. If I am in class, I take out my books and start my lesson. I listen carefully and focus on my tasks. Repeat after me. I listen carefully and focus on my tasks. Sometimes I write notes or talk with my friends. Repeat after me. Sometimes I write notes or talk with my friends. Time passes quickly when I am busy. Repeat after me. Time passes quickly when I am busy. Soon it is lunchtime and I feel hungry. Repeat after me. Soon it is lunchtime and I feel hungry. It is now afternoon time for lunch and a little rest. I go to the cafeteria with my friends. Repeat after me. I go to the cafeteria with my friends. We talk and laugh while we eat. Repeat after me. We talk and laugh while we eat. I usually eat rice, vegetables, and some fruit. Repeat after me. I usually eat rice, vegetables, and some fruit. After eating, I drink a glass of water. Repeat after me. After eating, I drink a glass of water. Sometimes, I have a cup of tea or coffee. Repeat after me. Sometimes, I have a cup of tea or coffee. After lunch, I feel relaxed after me and ready to work again. Repeat after me. After lunch, I feel relaxed and ready to work again. I return to my desk and check my notes. I return to my desk and check my notes. I complete my remaining work carefully. Repeat after me. I complete my remaining work carefully. If I am at school, I listen to the teacher and do my homework. Repeat after me. If I am at school, I listen to the teacher and do my homework. I stay focused and try to learn something new. Repeat after me. I stay focused and try to learn something new. In the afternoon, I sometimes feel a little sleepy. Repeat after me. In the afternoon, I sometimes feel a little sleepy. I stretch my body and take a short break. Repeat after me. I stretch my body and take a short break. I look outside the window and take a deep breath. Repeat after me. I look outside the window and take a deep breath. The sun shines brightly in the sky. Repeat after me. The sun shines brightly in the sky. I remind myself to stay positive and keep going. Repeat after me. I remind myself to stay positive and keep going. Then I finish my last tasks for the day. Repeat after me. Then I finish my last tasks for the day. I organize my desk and close my notebook. Repeat after me. I organize my desk and close my notebook. My work or class is almost over now. Repeat after me. My work or class is almost over now. Soon, it will be time to go home and relax. Repeat after me. Soon, it will be time to go home and relax. Every new day is a chance to grow, to learn something new, to speak with more confidence, and to become a little better than yesterday. Keep moving forward, step by step. Even small progress is still progress. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow LinguaBoost for more daily English practice. Let's keep learning together, because every word you speak brings you closer to fluency. Good night, and may tomorrow bring you peace, energy, and new beginnings.